Hi everyone, I'm Jean and I'm going to show you how to make a simple sway from scratch. If you just open up Sway from your Microsoft Office account, you'll see a page like this, um, and you click on Create New. And that will bring you to this storyline page. So what you can do here is just type in what you want to title your Sway. So I'll just call this Introduction to Sway. And over here, you can put in an image. And once you click on that, it lets you search pretty easily. So I'll just search Sway. And we'll see what comes up. So we got some images here. And I'll go with this one. And so we'll add that. Okay, and so now we have our first heading page. To add more pages, you can just click on this plus sign here, and you can select what you want to add. So I'll just add another text page, and I'll just say, this is an introduction to Sway. And you can change the font of that by clicking, and you can emphasize it, which makes it bold. And if you click over here, that makes it bigger. Okay, so let's add a couple more pages to our storyline. And let's say that we want to add some images. So I'll just come over here and let's add some nice images. And I'll show you how to group them together and stack them. So let's go with that. And so we have an image there. Let's add another one. And let's say we want to go something else. We'll just grab a bunch of images here so that I can show you how to group them and stack them together. And let's try one more. So we'll go with image again. And let's check something like that. Alrighty, so we'll go with this Desert Valley here. And we'll add that all together. All right, so we've got a few images here. So if you click in this little box here, it will allow you to group these things together. We have all these selected and we want to group them together, which will then give us an option for how we want to group them together. And I'll just click on stack. All right, so let's see what we got so far. So this is where we can create our sway. And if we click on this design tab, it shows us what our sway looks like. So there's my first page and it has it organized vertically automatically here. There's my little text caption, and here I can stack the images together, and just by clicking on each image, it switches them, which I think is a nice feature. Let's say that you want to change the style of your sway a little bit. You can click over here on styles, and you can easily change it to horizontal, which will allow you to scroll through this way. Or if you like the slides, which I still kind of like the slides, then you can have it as slides. Okay. Let's say that you want to change the design a little bit. There's lots of different backgrounds and things like that they have here. If you just click this remix button, though, it will just sort of apply a design for you automatically. And so then you can have that. So let me click it again, and it will change it. And you can see that it changed it back to vertical. If I click it again, it might give me some other options here. So you can see it reorganizes it for us. So I'll just see if I can find something that looks pretty decent, which I think that does. And if I click on play over here, we get to view what it would look like. So we have this, and then we have it as set up as the slides. And we can see that if we click on the images, it has them stacked together, and we can move through them. All right, that's a little bit of an introduction to Sway, and I hope that you enjoyed that. Good luck, everybody.